A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your studies. So, today again we are here for online studies and we will do lesson number 9, the magic sheet, and the exercise grammar glee. So, today we will going to do the first question of this exercise, and which is join the following sentences using the conjunctions given in the table and rewrite them. So before starting this question, I want to recall you that what are conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? Words which join two or more words, group of words or sentences are called conjunctions. For example, and, but, so, because, or, etc. So now let's again move to the question. So the first, you can see here the boxes given and four conjunctions are there: and, because, but, or. So we have to use these words to make two sentences one. So the first sentence is we went to the bookstore, the book was not available. So here two sentences are given, but we have to make these two sentences one. So for that, here we will use which conjunction? Yes, we will going to use but. So the answer is we went to the bookstore but the book was not available. The next sentence is you can go to Delhi, you can visit Agra. Here again two sentences are given and we have to make it one. So here we will use which conjunction? Yes, we will use and here. So the answer will be you can go to Delhi and visit Agra. Next sentences are he was taken to the doctor, he was ill. Again two sentences are given and we will use which conjunction to make it one? Yes, because. So the answer is he was taken to the doctor because he was ill. The next sentences are Jeet is a good dancer, he is a good singer. Again two sentences are given and here we will use and to make it one. So the answer is Jeet is a good dancer and singer. The last sentences are we called him twice, he did not answer. Here we will use which conjunction to make it one? Yes, but. So the answer is we called him but he did not answer. Now let's move to the next question. The second question is complete the following sentences by using the conjunctions so or because. Here in this question you have to use so or because accordingly to complete the sentences. The first sentence is he is absent dash he has gone to Shimla. So the answer will be because. Yes, he is absent because he has gone to Shimla. The next sentence is the turtle was slow dash he was caught by the hunter. And here we will use which conjunction? Yes, so. The answer will be the turtle was slow, so he was caught by the hunter. The next sentence is Mukesh scored low marks in the test dash he is careless. Here in this sentence we will use which conjunction? Yes, we will use because. So the answer will be Mukesh scored low marks in the test because he is careless. Now let's move to the next sentence, which is the team played well dash they won the match. Here we will use which conjunction? Yes, we will use so. And the answer is the team played well so they won the match. Now let's move to the next sentence. The sentence is the mangoes are sour dash the children cannot eat them. Here which conjunction we will use? Yes, so the answer is the mangoes are sour, so the children cannot eat them. And the last sentence is the teacher scolded the girl dash she was talking in the class. Here we will use which conjunction? Yes, we will use because here. The teacher scolded the girl because she was talking in the class. So this is it for today. In our next class, we will do the next chapter. Until then, stay safe at home and enjoy your online classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.